So I stripped the thread mount out of the bottom of my camera. When I'm putting tripod plates or cages on my camera, I tend to really tighten down on it, and I never had a problem with it until right now. I didn't think it was gonna bother me because this is my backup camera, but after a couple days I found out that I use this camera more than I thought. So I got an estimate to see how much it would cost to repair, and I was quoted $350. I've spent a lot of money setting my cameras and lenses in for repairs, but spending $350 to replace a thread mount seems a little too much. I went on YouTube to watch some teardowns of this camera, and from what I saw, it looked like I could do it. So I ordered a replacement thread mount here. I got this off eBay. I actually couldn't find an official replacement from Sony, but then I realized I didn't have the right tools to actually replace this mount. I didn't need much. I actually just needed a small screwdriver to replace the thread mount. So I went on Amazon to buy a screwdriver real quick, and as I was checking out, I got recommended this precision screwdriver set from Xiaomi. Now this is definitely more than what I need. I just needed one little tiny screwdriver, but I figured if I need to repair something in the future, like I'd be prepared for it. So yeah, let's go see if I can replace this thread mount. Here's the threads on my camera. As you can see, it's completely stripped out. And here's the replacement thread mount that I got off of eBay. It came from China, but it looks like a solid piece. Here's my A7RIII. I already took the battery out so I don't accidentally short circuit anything. And here's my unnecessary but necessary electric screwdriver from Xiaomi. Let's get that screwdriver out. And here's the bit I need. The screwdriver has 2 speeds, but I'm gonna lock it up to take the first screw out so I can see how it is. That was pretty simple. The bit isn't magnetized to pull the screw out, but with this set you just touch it to the section for a few seconds and it's good to go. Alright, let's have the screwdriver do what it was designed to do. With all the screws out, you just have to pop the base out. And here's the piece that I need to replace. The thread mount I bought online has some slight differences, but pretty much looks exactly the same. There's 3 screws holding this in place, so let's take those out. They're a different size from the ones I took off earlier, so don't mix these up. I didn't realize this metal piece just comes off the base piece. Alright, let's pop out the old thread mount. And here's the difference between the two. The old one is pretty much smooth inside. Alright, let's get the new mount on the bracket. It only fits one way and it lines up pretty easily. Going to magnetize a bit again so I don't lose any screws while I'm putting it back together. Let's screw them out into place. I don't tighten the screws all the way down until I get all of them in. Now that they're all in, let's go back and tighten them all down. Everything's looking good so far. Let's get that back in the camera. And now the base piece. Now to just get all these screws back in. Just like before, I don't tighten them all the way down until I get all the screws in. And it's pretty much done. Let's screw my tripod plate in there to make sure it works and everything's in place. And over tighten it like I always do. Alright, let's get the battery in and turn it on to make sure I didn't mess anything up. And everything's looking good. I shortened this video, but it took less than 10 minutes to get all of this done. Alright, so that was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. But let's test it out. Let's make sure I actually put it in there right. There's a tripod here. Take this off real quick. Alright, got my mantis pod here. Let's go ahead and just throw that on there. Lock it up and it's good to go. Look at that. Please don't fall out. So So yeah, everything looks good, and the best part is I saved myself like $300 from having to send this in for repairs. So I'll go ahead and link the replacement thread mount that I bought and also the screwdriver set in case you're interested in this. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions, but for now, I'm gonna go ahead and dangle this over my balcony because I can. See ya.